Les Waller with Financial Independence. How are you all doing today? What we're here today is to discuss one of the best tools you can have for your YouTube video channel. Search engine optimization, keywords. What's the tool? There are a couple of tools out there on the market. Both of them are very good. One is TubeBuddy and the other is vidIQ. TubeBuddy believes that everyone can achieve their YouTube dreams with the right tools and great support system. TubeBuddy provides confidence and resources to test, learn, and grow their channel to whatever heights they can imagine. TubeBuddy does this through an innovative suite of tools that consist of everything creators need to best optimize their channels, save time, and ease frustrations. TubeBuddy welcomes everyone into their community of experts and like-minded creators who are here to help wherever and whenever needed. vidIQ, best-of-breed tools meet best-in-class strategy. Unleash your video marketing potential and build a loyal audience of consumers with tools that ignite your fan base and strategy to keep you on track. They've reinvented the way that brands engage consumers using video. Maximize your organic reach. 58% of viewers arrive at your videos because of YouTube search and related videos. They'll help you increase your library of tags by 10 times in less than 10 minutes. And discover content opportunities that you're missing out on. Do you know that 3/4 of YouTubers agree if there is a brand that they love, they tend to tell everyone about it? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so let's get down to it. Let's do a comparison between TubeBuddy and vidIQ. The first thing I want you to do is go down into the description of this video and go ahead and click on this link here you'll see in the description below. This will take you to TubeBuddy where you can install it for free. I want you to do this so you can follow along. Once you've completed that, come back here and go ahead and click on the next link, which is the link for vidIQ. Here you can see it here. Click on this, install this on your channel as well, and then you can follow along when we're doing that one. Once you've installed both of those, then let's continue. Pricing plans. As we said earlier, they have different pricing plans. The first is free. So what you have installed with vidIQ and TubeBuddy are free versions of both, and free versions of both will give you a lot. As you can see here, TubeBuddy, they talk about the next level because we already have the free plan. So $9 a month, $19 a month, $49 a month. And you can see listed here the things that they offer. And we'll cover these in a minute. vidIQ, same thing. They have a free plan, and then they have a Pro, Boost, and Boost Plus. This is for businesses, as you can see here, at $415 a month. That's a lot. But $750 a month, not so much when you think about the difference. And you'll see the differences showing. We'll show you the differences between free and paid. What features do these plans have? If we look at TubeBuddy, with TubeBuddy, we're talking SEO, YouTube and Google Trends, keyword research. Now, those of you who are already a community member with me at Wealthy Affiliate, a Wealthy Affiliate account gives you free access to Jaaxy, the online keyword tool there. A link to that will also be in the description, to Jaaxy's keyword tool and also to Wealthy Affiliate. And then over here we see on vidIQ, they also have a Boost keyword research. Same thing here. Keyword inspector. Even has an keyword translator tool. So let's say that your market is not only the English language. Maybe you want to target the French language, German language, Chinese language. Then you can also add keywords in their language as well. Tag autocomplete. You type how to and they give you a whole bunch of things with scorings on the side. You can have keyword templates. Heading back over to TubeBuddy, one of the important things, as well as you know if you've made any videos, is end screens. You need to have end screens in your videos. These are a call to action for the viewer to go to another video or a link or a playlist, and TubeBuddy will help you automate that process. where you can actually do a bulk end screen edit. Let's say you've decided, oh, I want this particular video to be at the end of all of my videos. Click of a button, you can do that. On TubeBuddy, we have a similar thing here. It's called copy cards. Comment productivity tools as well. You got 100 comments to reply on. Are you going to be able to type each one of those out? Or can you already have some comment type templates already in place? Just a click of a button, you can have an answer up and go on to the next one. Now let's take a look at what it really has to offer. All right, we're now on my Les Waller International account. This is a video that I did last January. I helped my daughter by putting up some shelves, some IKEA shelves. You're thinking, and these are really simple to put together shelves. You can see the shelves here in the video. Nobody's going to watch a video that shows you how to put these shelves together, right? Wrong! Look at this, 3,576 views since January and 28 likes. All this from a simple how-to video. Why is that, do you ask? We do tags. And how do we do tags? So as you're putting the video together, when you're actually editing it and you go to edit video, you'll see here TubeBuddy recommended tags. So we already have a bunch of tags in this video, and these numbers are how high these tags are ranking, but we haven't got them all, do we? Look at this. TubeBuddy here on the free version still shows 3 different tags you can use. So let's go ahead and add them. It's as simple as click, click, click. Just like that, we've added 3 more tags to this video. So we're going to see if we can get a boost to the organic searching that comes in there. And don't forget to click save when you're done. What's so special about TubeBuddy? Let's say we are doing research for our wealthy affiliate websites and we want to know what are we going to put up there next. So let's go ahead and click TubeBuddy up here. What we wanted to explore here, no pun intended, is the Keyword Explorer. Let's go ahead and launch Keyword Explorer now. Enter our keyword. How about TubeBuddy versus vidIQ? Poor. 16 out of 100. But it also gives you three related searches because this is the free version. Free version is going to give you 3s, 3s, and 3s. But okay, what about TubeBuddy versus vidIQ 2020? Is that better? Cha-ching! Twice as good as the first one. This is why you see this video labeled as TubeBuddy versus vidIQ 2020, because I went through the search terms available from TubeBuddy themselves. Isn't that cool? Now, if we click on results, we can see, well, what kind of videos came up for vidIQ versus TubeBuddy. And it'll show you the videos here. What good is that, you ask? Well, I'm glad you did ask. Because if we wanted to, we could go ahead and look at these first 3. This one's got 13,000 views. Let's go ahead and click on the video. You'll see where I'm going with this in a second. He's got a bunch of tags, right? This is funny. It says show search rankings because this is in blue. This is actually coming from vidIQ. So here's another thing to note why you should go ahead and install vidIQ and TubeBuddy on your videos, on your browser. You can use them both. You can use both free versions at the same time. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. We're going to show the search rankings for these videos. Pop, 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 pop. So look at this. Number 1, number 4, number 4, number 4. So if we don't have these tags in our video, we should put them there. And you can simply go copy to clipboard and go ahead and what I like to do is throw these in a text file. And of course, now we don't want all of these, right? We just wanted that first one. So now let's take and copy these, Control C or Command C on a Mac. We go back to our video. We're making that video. I can't put that in there, but what we can do, we could come into our video. Let's say this is TubeBuddy versus vidIQ 2020. We could click inside the tag box, do a Control V or Command V on a Mac, and boom, there are your keywords inside your video. So you can always go back and add more tags to your video later. Not a problem. Here we are in 15 tips for fast growth on YouTube video on my Financial Independence Now channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, folks. You're in that channel now. And there's going to be a lot more productive content coming up. So this time we're going to look at what vidIQ has to offer. You can tell the difference. vidIQ is going to show things in blue. TubeBuddy is going to show things in red. So we've already got tags here. It looks like only one is ranking on vidIQ. Well, that's not good, especially on a 15 tips fast growth video. So let's go ahead and take a look to see let's see the difference. TubeBuddy says how to grow on YouTube. Grow your YouTube channel. How to grow your YouTube channel 2020, 13, 9, and 59. vidIQ has how to start a YouTube channel for beginners. How to start a YouTube channel in 2020. How to start a successful YouTube channel. So in reality, using both tools, you could add 6 more tags. So let's go ahead and add vidIQs. See, and even here it'll show you the volume. That's 1. That's 2. Oh, we're at 563 out of 500 tags. But that's okay because we saw that the other tags weren't ranking, right? So that means we will get rid of some of those tags. And YouTube, let's go ahead and do TubeBuddy too while we're at it. Let's go with 13 and 9. 59, that's not very high. So that's not going to help. That brings us under 500. So we try these out. And you can run this for a week or two, come back and check to see if it's changed any. Let's take a look at TubeBuddy's thingies here. Keyword inspector. Let's do the same thing we had. TubeBuddy versus vidIQ. Do a search. What does it come up with? Search volume, competition's low. So, and here, remember TubeBuddy versus vidIQ. Overall score is not too much, not too different. Search volume is less. So in this case, vidIQ is saying to go with TubeBuddy versus vidIQ. Let's say you don't have a clue. A Bluehost video for your affiliate marketing website. Well, guess what? You can also take a look and use vidIQ and TubeBuddy both. You can use both of these for additional ideas for keywords and searches. So we've seen what you can do on free channels. Let's take a look at what you can do on a paid subscription. I have a pro license on Igor's Tail. So now if we launch the Keyword Explorer and we type in TubeBuddy versus vidIQ, look at this already. We're already seeing more than 3 hits here. 2020. Return. You'll notice we're getting a list here, a very large list. And you can copy by going to Action. You can copy the clipboard, all of these, and then sort out the ones that are not relevant to your video. So what if we typed in Bluehost? How about Bluehost review? I'm sure many of you are interested in doing a Bluehost review, right? Ooh, very poor. Let's take a look at this again. Let's back up one space. So maybe we need to do something a little bit more specific. How about this one? That's really specific, right? Boom! We're up to 50 on this score here. And then we have a bunch of common video tags here. We have no video searches related to that because it's so specific probably. Not quite as high of a weight. It gives us a couple more video search possibilities. And then, of course, a list is there here. So you can see it's not limited to 3. A pro version gives you much, much more. And that I plan to use on this channel when I start putting content in here to build it up. This is going to be a kids channel. You can see I've got my ABC song with Igor the Duck. But I plan on reading kids' stories on this channel very near future for my grandson. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have today for TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Make sure that you install and get those free versions into your browser because those will start helping you right now. If you haven't used TubeBuddy or vidIQ before and you've already got videos made, once you've got them installed from the links in the description below, make sure that you go to the videos you've already posted. Check them. I bet you will be adding from 3 to 6 new tags that are relevant and found on the Google search engine. Do that now, and we will catch you on the next video. Les Waller with Financial Independence. We'll catch you later. Are we ready? We're already recording. That's just burr. Okay, now we need to that's all I've got today. Wow.